everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about AI agents, how to make a full project. We'll make a project like this, basically like a sales using customer support agent for sales. Like for example here, if I type here, for example, let's say give me the list of products that this computer company is actually selling. It's going to check the sheet here, from here, the sheet, and I put all my data here on this sheet. Okay, this, for example, this piece, this Legion Pro 4 is a gaming laptop, the brand, the CPU, RAM, all this stuff, the price, all this details on the sheet. And through this we can just it's going to check, okay, the sheet. Okay, it's going to list all the products here on the output for the customer. And if a customer wants more description, he can ask for more description or more details on the product. And it's going to look from the sheet and give it to him, and all these details like price and everything. Then if the customer is interested, all he has to do is just tell it that it wants to, for example, it's interested in this product, Lenovo Legion Pro 5. Okay, say I'm interested in Legion Pro 5. So what it will do is, when it takes the input from the customer, it's going to ask the customer to provide the name and the email or number to the customer. Then it will take the email and number, and then it's going to give feedback to the customer. Then it's going to send both the email and number to going to use the Gmail API to send to the owner. Like if you go here, this is what I got, the customer detail. Like it will tell customer name, this one, the phone number, this. So that's the idea. So basically, this is, and we will also add something called simple memory. This is so it can remember the conversation. The previous conversations. Okay, it's like a cache or something like that. Think of it like a memory. Okay, so it can hold conversation. That's what we're going to do. Okay, all this is made possible by using AI agent. Okay, this one you can get it from here. Just type AI agent. This one is very important because we will do most of our work using this one from now on. Okay, so because it connects all those all the tools, the memory, the chat model, everything together. So for more details on this, let us go ahead and read the theory. Okay, so when we say AI agent, okay, an AI agent equals to LLM plus tools plus memory plus trigger plus action. Okay, that's the whole that's what it means, right? Here we have a memory, we have tools, we have action, all this stuff. Okay, without this, it's just a normal chatbot. Okay, with this, a real autonomous system that can think, act, and remember. Okay, an AI agent node, okay, in tools like n8n, an AI agent usually has 4 parts. It has the trigger, the input, the user message, webhook, chat input, or for example, what's the price of gold, or whatever. That's the trigger. The input is the trigger. The LLM is the brain, basically, like whether it's OpenAI, Anthropic, or Google, whatever, generates response, understands context, and follows a system instruction. And then we have a tool here. Tools are like actions like Gmail, for example, to send the email, Google Sheet to store data or get data, API to fetch data, webhook, all this stuff. The agent does not just talk, it acts, basically. So memory is also very important. So to store previous conversation, gives context to the LLM, makes an agent remember users. Got me? So yeah, that's basically it. LLM versus AI agent. So if pure LLM is just API only, no memory, each request is independent, no context retention. Okay, so AI agent system has memory, uses tool, understands multi-step tasks, remember users, and yeah, this is an AI agent system. Okay. Yeah. Simple memory explained. Stores recent conversation history per user and session, and it has session ID. It identifies the user in chat. Example: user 1 separate memory, user 2 separate memory. Without it, mixed conversation. Okay, so basically, yeah, it separates the sessions using session IDs. Okay, and context window length. This is how many past messages to remember. For example, if it has 3, remembers the last 3 exchanges only. If it has 10, remembers more history. That's the idea of context window length. Okay, like here we have, you can see it actually here. Here, for example, let's see what's the context window length. It has 5 here. So 5, so you can see it here. It holds 5 conversations in the memory. Okay, you can go here. Yeah, so you can see here the simple memory. This is the first one. Okay, second one. Again, I called the products. So that's the idea. Like 5 means 5 exchanges. Okay, that's what it means. So simple example. So for example, a user types my name is John. Later, what's my name? The agent with memory, your name is John. Okay, but if you don't put the memory, it will say I don't know. That's the idea. That's why we need memory. So inside AI agent node, typical flow is user message, the input, system prompt, rules, tone, behavior, memory, chat history, tools, external actions. LLM generate final answers, output response returned. So yeah, inside AI agent node, typical flow. Yeah. Why memory matters? Without memory, every question starts from 0. With memory, conversation feels human-like. Enables personalization needed for real, what's the name? Chatbots. So, basic versus agent system. So, yeah. Final 3 key ideas are, these are the few things that we need to understand actually. So I think now it's clear. Okay, let's go ahead and do this project. So yeah, it's enough theory now. We can just go ahead and do the project. So I'm going to create a new workflow and do it from scratch. Okay, I'm going to go to personal here, create a workflow. I'm going to add AI agent here. AI agent here. Okay, and okay, I'm going to leave this for now. Okay, leave it as it is. When you go through, you will get a chat message here, and also here on the model, I have to define the model, what model I want to use, right? Just add it here. We're going to use Olama chat model, right? And I will, the reason I can't use 1.5, okay, let's say if I choose DeepSeek 1.5b, it's going to give me an error actually. It's not going to work because DeepSeek does not allow function calling. It's a this model doesn't it's not compatible with function calling, so it will not work. I will show you once we set it up. Okay. So you have to download Queen 3.8b, okay, or any other model that supports function calling, because we are planning to use tools. So this is it, Queen 5.3, and what else we have? And the memory, I'm going to use a simple memory here. Okay, that's enough. Leave everything to default. Okay, so now you can see actually the difference. Now let's say without the memory. Hi. Let's see what's the difference. Actually, it's taking too much time, and the reason it takes too much time, I think it's the reasoning model, this one. But you will get an answer. Okay, this is it's executed. Hi, hello, how can I assist you today? My name is John. Actually, this is okay. Hello, John, nice to meet you. How can I assist you? Let's say, give me the list of richest people in the world, something like this. So I don't know why it's taking too much time. I think it's taking. Okay, this is actually going to take time, so let me just pause this one. So let me show you what happened just now. Okay, so this is what happened. I asked it to give me a list of richest people in the world. Okay, and I got the list, like Bernard Arnault family and Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, all this stuff, right? And then I asked it, what's my name? Okay, I was confused. The last question, who am I? So I don't have access to personal information about individuals unless they have been shared with me in the course of our conversation. If you'd like to share more So what I want to do is the same thing, okay, same thing what I did just now, but I want to do it with a simple memory. Add simple memory here. Let's go ahead and try this one. Hi, I'm John. So I'm going to ask it the same question as well. Give me a list of people, the same question again. So we'll receive this question. Yeah, we got the answer, good. So now, no. It doesn't matter, the point is that we need to ask it now what is, wait, 1 second. Complexities, what's my name? Who am I? The same question. So it's clear that this question set as part of inviting deeper. Okay, so the point here is that it knows, it remembers my name. Okay, that's the idea. So that's the benefit of memory. And let's add the tools now. Okay, first tool we want to add is Gmail. No, actually Google Sheet. Google Sheet. Yeah, and you can add the credentials, so I'm not going to go through it because I already did before. And set automatically, we will choose get row because we want to get row from the row. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and choose the file and the sheet. Okay, and leave everything as it is. That's what you can execute now. That's fine. Great. So basically this is the sheet. Okay, this is the dummy data that I got from generated from ChatGPT. Okay, so that this is like we're treating this like a computer shop. Okay, so a computer company that's responsible for selling this computer parts and PCs and stuff. So computer products, you can change the name to computer products, and we can just do this. Yeah, that's it. So what we can do now is okay, so the next step is going to be to add a Gmail tool so that it can send. Add the credentials, mine is already added. Choose this one, no problem, and send, and put the email. This is the owner's email. Send any description, and the message, it has to be, you have to choose this one. Let the model define this parameter, so that the model will select this one. Okay, so you can just keep it like this and close. So right now what we need to do is, on this AI agent we have to specify the message. Okay, we have to specify the system message here. Okay, we will choose options, system message, and I'm going to write the message that I need. So I'm going to go to my previous workflow. Okay, here, and I'm going to go to AI agent, and I'm going to go to this one. This is the input, the prompt that I was using. I'll go to personal here, So I'm going to go to AI agent. I'm going to change this to define below. Prompt should not user input is basically let's execute previous node. Okay, yeah. The prompt is going to be here. So this is the prompt. You represent a computer company. Please answer customer queries using the information provided in the Google Sheet. This is important. Please send the email to the owner only if the customer requests to purchase a device before sending the email. Ask the customer for their name and phone number. Send them to the owners via email. So this is it. I think we should just put some input here just to test. So we'll go here. Okay, let's do this 1 second. Let's test. There's a problem here, and the problem is related to it's giving you an error here. The error is Registry Olama AI DeepSeek R1 NFB does not support tools. Okay, so you have to make sure the tool that you use supports function calling. But if you use Quinn now if I do the same prompt, you're going to receive the result. The result. Right now I'm going to type hello. I'm going to prepare the prompt. Give me a list of products. Give me the list of products. Give me the list of products. So I asked it for a list of products. So right now it's supposed to actually go to Google Sheet and get that for me. Yeah, it took the data from Google Sheet. Now it's going to give me the data. So now let's see what will be the reply. Actually, I want to post this, but I think we will do it now. The detail. There is a reason why it's taking so much time. I think the model is actually very heavy, and it has a reasoning. We're using a reasoning model. But so I was able to get the data here. You can see it here. It gave me the details it took from the Google Sheet. Okay. The next, I want to tell it that I'm interested on this product, HP Elite Disk. interested in HP Let's Desk. So let me check. We will look for a faster model, but for now let's just. Okay, I got the reply. Okay, this is what it says. Here are the details of this one, and the desktop is ideal for office tasks and stuff. If you're ready to buy, please share your name and phone numbers. I'll send the details to the owner for the confirmation. So I'm just going to type my name is John and my number is 554-318-4714. Okay. This is what we have, and I will pause it. Okay, so we just received the reply. Okay, so it's telling me I've sent the detail to the owner. Confirmation: the owner will contact you soon via phone at this, and to finalize the purchase, HP as a unit, let me know if you need further assistance. So now if I go to the email, I can see that I received both the customer name and phone and the details. Okay, so and also in addition to that, I'm going to download this model. Okay, Quinn 2.5. It's 1.5 B. The reason I want to download this model because this is much faster than what we are currently using. Okay, that's the reason that I had to stop the video every time I give prompt. It takes too much time. This is what we're using right now, Quinn 3.8, which is a lot slower than this one. So let me download this one, and we're going to test more features later on. But this is basically the idea. So we just built the first AI agent for us. There is one more concept I want to show you. Okay, before this is right now we are using locally installed LLMs, right, from Olama. But what if we want to use something like Grok or something that's OpenAI or Gemini? Okay, we can go ahead and go here and type Grok, for example, this one. It will give you chat model. Or if it is OpenAI, no, not OpenAI, Gemini. Let's see, Gemini chat model. Yeah, this is Google Gemini chat model. There are different chat models. Okay, but we are going to try Grok because it's the cheapest of all. Okay, so first thing you need to do is go to Grok here, type Grok API key or whatever, and then you'll go to here. It will ask you to sign in or register if you're new, and then you will have to go ahead and buy. You go to the credit here, to ask you to pay. Now you can buy more. Okay, you can go ahead and for example go to chat here. You can just go ahead, it will ask you to pay. Just add $5 to your account. That's all you need actually, just $5 to test it. Me, I already did, so it's okay. Once you've added a credit of $5, Okay, and then you can go ahead and go to the API keys here and create the API keys like this. Type the name and create. It's going to give you the API key. You need to copy it. Okay, and you need to copy it and let me show you here. Let's say something here, create API keys. This is what you have to copy. Okay, I've already created, so I don't want to do it again. Then I'm just going to go to Grok chat model. Okay, and I'm not going to create account because I already did, but if you didn't, you can just create a new credential, paste the API key and save. That's all. Okay, in my case it's already there. So what I want to use is actually very fast and non-reasoning. Okay, I don't want to use anything else. Okay, the node must be connected to AI chain. Okay, then what I will do is remove this one. Okay, instead of using Olama, which I don't want to use right now, just cancel this one, put it aside, and use this Grok and connect this one to the model. Okay, so and like this we are able to test. Now let's go ahead and test this using this. I'm going to type hi, give me a list of products. So it's going to check here. The reason I'm using Grok is because it's actually the cheapest out of all of them. In terms of the token, it's cheaper than the Gemini, cheaper than OpenAI, so it's better to use Grok. So it gave me the list here. You can see that it's the correct list, similar to the ones in the sheet, Legion Pro, Helios, and all that stuff. So what I want right now is Legion Pro 5. Okay, I want Legion Pro 5. Okay, it's just going to do this, and it's going to ask me for a name and number. My name is let's say Jason. Okay, my name is Jason and my number is just give it some random number, doesn't matter, send it there. So this is it, basically. This is it. And now it's going to give you, I have sent the details to the owner, confirmation, and if you go to the emails, and you'll find it's already sent to the email. So this is basically the benefit of using this. Yeah, you can use Grok also. Let's talk more about Grok, the theory. Grok 4, XAI Grok 4 is mainly an improvement of reasoning ability, not necessarily having more data. The biggest idea of the entire presentation was AI model is no longer improving mainly by adding more internet data. They're improving by becoming better at thinking and correcting themselves. AI model improved in 3 stages. Bigger data set, okay, stage 1. Older model mainly improved by feeding them more text. Okay, yeah, training on more internet data, increasing GPU power. Grok 2 is smaller model. Grok 4 is much larger data set and more compute. Reasoning become the new focus. Okay, after a while, companies started running out of useful training data. So instead of only predict the next word, inference, they move toward think before answering. This is where reasoning, self-correction, reinforcement learning becomes important. Reinforcement learning, this is the core of Grok 4. The idea is simple. AI gives an answer, the system checks if the answer is good. If good, reward. If bad, penalty or correction. Like training a child. Good answers equals to reward. Bad answers equals to correction. Over time, the model learns how to reason, how to solve problems, how to verify its own output. So evolution of Grok basic. Next word prediction example. I am drinking. Model predicts water. Yeah, mostly language prediction. This is in Grok 2. it only had basic next word prediction, right? In Grok 3, much larger data set, better language understanding. Grok 3 reasoning added strong reinforcement learning. Now the model can think more, evaluate, answer, choose better solution. Grok main improvement. Grok 4 massive increase in reinforcement learning, much stronger reasoning, not necessarily more training data, meaning better complex problem solving, logical decision making, long context understanding. Why Elon Musk said Grok 4 is extremely intelligent? According to Elon Musk, Grok 4 performs very well in reasoning, logic test, graduate, AGI style evaluation. Marking, but the benchmark mode were still significant. Important concepts: compute means GPU power, electricity, training, total computational resource. More compute usually means larger training, better AI performance. Tools make AI much stronger. AI alone is good, AI plus tools is much better. For example, tools of web search, calculators, database, memory. They directly relate to AI agent and automation systems like n8n. Huge point for AI agents. Without tools, Grok scored much lower. With tools, performance increased massively. AI agents are the future because the model can search, calculate, retrieve data, interact with app instead of only generating text. Grok 4 heavy. There are two versions. We have Grok 4 single main reasoning system, Grok 4 heavy, multiple internal agents work together. Think of it like 4 AI workers solve the same problem. Benchmarks are basically AI exams. Company use them to compare models like OpenAI, GPT, Gemini, Anthropic. Main results claim Grok 4 performed very strongly, reasoning, logic, all this, especially in the Grok 4 with tools or Grok 4 with heavy, performed very well. Important AI trends: the industry shifting from old AI predict text to a new AI, reason, use, tool, plan, verify. This is the entire future of AI agents, autonomous system, coding assistance. Voice improvement: Grok 4 also improved response speed, voice latency, conversation, more natural real-time conversation. Context with no Grok 4 supports very large context window. Okay, can process huge document, long conversation, large code bases. Useful for this. If they are releasing coding models later this week, most likely Grok 4 is already good at coding, but they want to specialize in coding model. Coding focus model like Codex style specializes. So basically, AI progress is now mostly about reasoning, not just more data. Reinforcement learning is a key improvement. AI plus tool is far more powerful than AI alone. Grok 4 heavy uses multiple internal agents. Modern AI is shifting to from text prediction to autonomous reasoning. AI agents becoming the future direction. So the point here is, I hope everyone understood the concept. I think this is it. Okay, but we can go ahead and remove this one. Okay, put back our chat model here now. Okay, because actually what I want to do is connect this here and go ahead and change. Let's try to use our Quinn 2.5. Let's see if it is faster than our hi. Give me a list of products. Okay, let's see if it's faster than our previous. It's already done, so no issues. Let's see. Yeah, okay, it's much better. Okay, there's still a log delay, but it's still much better. So okay, I want this one, TP-Link Archer here. Oh yes, it's much better actually. So the name is is Mary, and number is this random number. Send it, and it's going to go ahead and do it. Perfect. This is actually great. Okay, calling send Gmail input. Wait, why didn't I receive the email? I think some issue there. So not sure what's the issue, but let's go ahead. Put a question mark there. Let's see what it will go. But that's what we got. Okay, this is what I hope this is clear. Next we'll start new topic, RAG.